My name is Bondan Kanumoyoso. I come from Indonesia. I teach in the University of Indonesia in Jakarta, and I'm doing research on the indigenous people who live in the surrounding area of Batavia, or the present time now Jakarta. These people actually one of the last ethnic that created in Indonesia. So from my presentation, perhaps people can understand or can learn how the identity formation was created among the indigenous people who live in the Southeast Asia. So I would like actually to show how the process of identity formation was built throughout the colonial period in Indonesia. Not really like a dominant identity that existed in Indonesia, but this new one is look like a new kind of society. Actually, there is no similarities with other identity at all, because they took some influence from other cultures and brought it together and created new kind of culture. Yes. And I think this kind of identity formation can become a model, maybe model or something like. Maybe perhaps this kind of process also happen in other places throughout Pacific, maybe in Manila, maybe in Malacca or other places in Indonesia, in many other cities, especially the big cities in Indonesia, like in Surabaya, in Medan, in Makassar. This kind of process actually is also happen when people come to the city and they stayed in the city, working in the city, and they become close with other people from other places, and slowly their original identity become faded away, and now they have a new kind of identity as Indonesian. So after few generations, perhaps maybe they lose their original identity totally and become Indonesian, like me, for example. There is still diversity in many places in Indonesia, but this new kind of identity formation is happen because we now live as a nation, so we cannot avoid to live with other people with other cultural background, because we live together. Now this process cannot be avoided, because our how to say, because our people now become living together, so it's difficult to divide it according to their ethnic background. I think in the sense of our origin, we belong to the Austronesia, and Austronesian doesn't mean Southeast Asia or Pacific, but it means Austronesia. It means Pacific and Southeast Asia, even Indian Ocean. So we part of the very big family actually, and we cannot say that we only part of Southeast Asia or Pacific. We part of the big family of Austronesian who live in the Southeast Asia, in the Indian Ocean, and also in the Pacific.